Hi everyone, I'm Irisha Razmandari and I'm going to present on the topic logical network design of Utopimed system. So before starting the presentations, I'm going through the table of content, and my table of content includes tables of user communities, data store, network application, traffic flow, and model for naming and addressing. So let's start from the table of user communities. User communities are the most important components of the organizations. User communities are the people who are involved in a network, So in this network design, there are lots of users who are involved, and some of them are GPs, specialists, receptions, laboratory, and so on. Let's take an example of GPs. There are 10 chamber installed in each offices, so that the GPs can easily see the patient details, and the GPs are going to the application used by the GPs are Utopimed database system, intelligent software, so on. Likewise, there are different applications used by the different users. The next topic is data store. Data store can be defined as the connections to backlog of structured and unstructured data using data server. And in this network design, we have included different server like database server, web server, mail server, print server, and file server. So we can talk about the print server. In print server, the application used by the print server is image runner machine and a multifunctional printer. So the users of these servers are the management office, like managing director, accountant, secretary, and IT managers. Similarly, there are different applications and the users who use the different server. So next slide is network applications. Network applications measures the amount of data flowing through the network at the points of time. So in this network design, there are different network name of equipments who are involved, like computer, database, and server. The protocol used by computer, database, and server are TCP/IP, UDP, HTTP, and FTP. The QoS requirement for this application is quick response time and delay tolerance. Similarly, there are different requirements for the different equipment. And last but not the least, model addressing and naming. So we have gave the example of the Sydney office. So the SYD CH1 is the is for the Sydney chamber, and R1 is the router number. For switches and firewall, we have used SW1 and FW1. These are the unique identity to identify the router, switches, and firewall. Similarly, we have gave the unique identity to the user community also. For doctor, we have used SYD CH1 DOC1. So we have different addressing and naming for management rooms, receptions, laboratory, radiology, and lastly these are the models, addressing, and namings for routing, switching, firewall, and the user communities. Thank you.